Hey everyone, I'm Iwan and I'm here today on behalf of AiNiffler, where we've been pushing boundaries to redefine the future of financial technology. But before we delve deeper into that exciting world, let me ask you a question. Have you ever wondered how the global financial landscape has changed and continues to change right before our eyes? If so, you're in the right place. Today we are talking about the power of innovation. A look into the evolution of financial instruments. Now, I know some of you are seasoned investors, while others are just starting on this journey. Rest assured, there is something for everyone in today's discussion. As always, we welcome your comments, thoughts, and questions, so don't hesitate to interact with us down in the comments section. If you find our content valuable, do consider subscribing to our channel for more insights into the world of fintech. Let's start at the very beginning. Financial instruments have been a cornerstone of economic activities for centuries, ranging from the simple barter system to the complex financial derivative we see today. The journey of their evolution is fascinating and paints a clear picture of how our society, technology, and economy have evolved in tandem. So let's take a step back in time, say to the 12th century, a time when paper money was just starting to replace coins in China. This revolutionized commerce, trade, and fundamentally how people perceive the concept of value. Now, fast forward to the 17th century with the birth of the modern stock market. Can you guess where that happened? The Dutch East India Company in Amsterdam was the first publicly traded company and set the foundation for the stock market as we know them today. And just like that, shares, bonds, and dividends become the new buzzwords. But we didn't stop there. With the Industrial Revolution in the 18th century, we saw the emergence of future contracts. These were initially used for farmers to protect themselves from the price volatility of their crops. These humble contracts grew and expanded to become a significant part of today's commodity and financial markets. As we moved into the 12th century, the pace of innovation only accelerated. Complex financial instruments like options, swaps, and derivatives emerged. What began as tools for risk management quickly became a means of speculation, and ultimately, they played a significant role in shaping our modern financial markets. The evolution of financial instruments, however, was not always smooth. The 2008 global financial crisis, largely attributed to the misuse of certain financial derivatives, is a stark reminder of the double-edged sword that these instruments can be. But it also served as a catalyst for innovation and stricter regulations, leading to the next chapter of financial evolution. This brings us to the present day and the emergence of digital assets, a brand new class of financial instruments. The rise of blockchain technology has given birth to cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Unlike traditional financial instruments, these digital assets are not controlled by any central authority, leading to a significant shift in how we perceive and interact with money. In fact, blockchain, the underlying technology of cryptocurrencies, is shaping the future of many industries, not just finance. It is disrupting supply chain, healthcare, real estate, and more. And as we speak, developers and entrepreneurs around the world are developing its potential to create new, innovative financial instruments. At AiNiffler, we understand this paradigm shift. With a team hailing from diverse corners of the world, France, Singapore, Taiwan, Hong Kong, and more, we are dedicated to making digital asset management accessible, reliable, and above all, beneficial for everyone. Through a combination of blockchain technology and artificial intelligence, we provide users with a secure, professional platform to increase the value of their digital assets. Let's explore a bit more about what makes digital assets so exciting. For starters, their decentralized nature offers a new level of transparency and security. Transactions are verified by a network of computers, not by a central authority. This eliminates the need for intermediaries, often leading to faster, more efficient transactions. Digital assets, especially cryptocurrencies, also offer opportunities for unprecedented returns. I'm sure you've heard stories about early adopters of Bitcoin or Ethereum becoming millionaires virtually overnight. But let me stress, while the upside is enormous, these assets are highly volatile, and their values can swing wildly in a short time. As with any investment, understanding the risk involved is absolutely critical. Moreover, digital assets and blockchain technology have opened the doors for innovation in various areas of finance. For example, decentralized finance or DeFi is a rapidly growing sector offering services like lending, borrowing, and trading on a decentralized network. These services, traditionally offered by banks and financial institutions, are now accessible to anyone, anywhere, breaking down the barrier of traditional finance. Another innovation that's been making headline is non-fungible tokens, or NFTs. They are unique digital assets representing ownership of a specific item or piece of content. From digital arts to real estate, NFTs have become a novel way of digitizing and monetizing assets in ways previously unimaginable. These examples just scratch the surface of the potential of digital assets. There is a wealth of opportunities out there, and at AiNiffler, we strive to empower our users to navigate and capitalize on this landscape. Remember, our focus is on ensuring a safe, stable, and professional environment for our users to manage their digital assets. With the rapid growth and constant evolution of digital assets, it's essential to keep up with the latest trends and news. And we at AiNiffler are here to help you do just that. Our mission is to inform, educate, and inspire. We are here to guide you on this journey whether you're just starting out or are an experienced investor looking to expand your portfolio. The beauty of the digital asset landscape is its inclusivity. It doesn't matter where you're from or what your background is. These financial instruments are accessible to anyone with an internet connection. And in a world where traditional banking services aren't available to everyone, this is a game changer. There is one more aspect of digital assets that we should touch on, and that's regulation. This is a relatively new frontier and laws are still catching up. Different countries have different regulations, and it's vital to understand them before diving in. At AiNiffler, we pride ourselves on our commitment to compliance and the security of our users. We work closely with regulators and follow industry best practices to ensure we operate within the law and protect our community. Before we wrap up, I want to emphasize that while we are passionate about the potential of digital assets, it's important to approach them with an informed, cautious perspective. Always do your research, understand your risk tolerance, and invest responsibly. And remember, we are here to help every step of the way. As we delve further into the 21st century, who knows what new financial instruments will emerge. But one thing is for sure, technology will continue to drive innovation, shaping and reshaping the financial landscape. And as always, AiNiffler will be at the forefront, guiding you through this exciting journey. To conclude, I do like to reiterate that financial instruments are more than just tools for trade and investment. They are a reflection of our society, economy, and technological progress. And as we move forward, we must be prepared to adapt and evolve with them. The landscape of digital assets is vast and ever-changing. It can be thrilling, but it can also be overwhelming. That's where we come in. At AiNiffler, our goal is to ensure you're equipped with the knowledge and tools to navigate this landscape confidently. Because at the end of the day, our community is at the heart of everything we do. If you found our discussion today helpful, do give us a thumbs up and share this video with others who might benefit. And if you are not yet part of our community, we warmly invite you to join us. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you won't miss our future discussions. We also love hearing from you, so don't forget to leave your thoughts, questions, or suggestions in the comment section below. It helps us create content that you find valuable and want to engage with. So what are you excited about in the world of financial innovation? What topic would you like us to cover next? Let's keep the conversation going. Once again, I'm Iwan from AiNiffler, your partner in the world of financial technology. Thank you for joining me today. As we continue on this exciting journey, remember, innovation is not just about where we are going, but also how we get there together. Stay safe, stay informed, and let's shape the future of finance together. See you in the next video.